Hi everyone, it's Adam from Disney. Welcome to our new channel. Today we're going to be talking you through Premier Access at Disneyland Paris. Premier Access is Disneyland Paris' version of Fast Pass, or Genie Plus, or Lightning Lane, depending on which park you're closer to. Disneyland Paris has two separate Premier Access options, Premier Access 1 and Premier Access Ultimate. Before we go into the difference of the two options, let's see which rides are included. Let's discuss those two options. So option 1 is Premier Access 1. This allows you to buy a single ride on a single attraction. You can buy up to 3 of these a day, but not for the same ride. So for example, you can buy a Premier Access 1 for Tower of Terror, Phantom Manor and Big Thunder, but you couldn't buy 2 rides on Big Thunder in that same day. Guests can purchase the pass for the next available time slot on the app and join the priority line for the ride at that time. If the time offered isn't suitable, try again a little while later. Premier Access 1 passes can vary in price depending on the ride, popularity and current wait times. You can expect to pay between €5 to €7 for something like Star Tours or Phantom Manor, and somewhere between €14 to €20 per person for the most popular attractions such as Web Slingers, Crush's Coaster and Tower of Terror. Pro tip, Premier Access 1 passes can sell out as the day goes on, so if it's your must ride, make sure you get it booked. The second Premier Access option is called Premier Access Ultimate. This allows you to skip the queues and ride a large number of rides a single time in a single day for a fixed price. The cost of this does vary, but typically you're looking to pay somewhere around €160 to €200 per person. If you're only in the parks for a day or two, or you want to ride as many rides as possible with minimal waits, this can be a good option. As an extra benefit, unlike Premier Access 1, where you have to join the standby line at a fixed time, with Premier Ultimate you can join the queue whenever you like. From the list of eligible rides we shared earlier, Orbitron is the only ride that isn't included on the Premier Access Ultimate, but you can buy this separately as a Premier Access 1 ride. Let's go over a few common questions. Firstly, can you buy both Premier 1 and Premier Access Ultimate at the same time? The answer is yes, though do be aware those extra costs can add up if you're in a large group. Another really common question is, can you cancel these reservations? With Premier Access 1, unfortunately it's not possible to cancel them, but you may be able to move them to a different time. For Premier Access Ultimate, it depends on a number of different factors. I'll include a link in the description to the terms and conditions, but in short, if you're looking to cancel it less than 3 days before the date you've bought it for, you are unlikely to get your refund. Are they worth it and are they needed? This is a really subjective question. On busy park days like school holidays, Premier Access can really help you get on all the rides you want to go on. If you're not going during school holidays, we typically book the odd one just to squeeze in that extra ride after a busy day in the parks. For the most popular rides such as Crush's Coaster, this can often have a 1.5+ hour wait. Whether spending €16 is good value in order to skip that queue is down to personal choice. From our experience using these, we can say the Premier Access queues are always significantly shorter. The wait is usually really minimal as you join most of the rides very close to boarding. What if you don't want to spend the extra money or maybe only want to buy the odd Premier 1? We have a few tips to help you max out on the rides and reduce your waits in the queues. The first is rope drop. If you're staying in a Disneyland Paris resort hotel, you can enter the parks an hour before everybody else. Last time we did this, we were able to ride Crush's Coaster, RC Racer and Tower of Terror twice before the park opened to the rest of the guests. The second is single rider queues. As long as you don't mind riding the ride separately from the rest of your party, this is a great way to trim your wait time down. This is more effective on some rides than others, so do check those wait time boards. If you're travelling with children, then taking advantage of the child swap or baby swap is a great choice. This allows adult 1 to ride the attraction, whilst adult 2 minds the child, and then you get to swap over so you only have to queue once and everyone gets to ride the ride. Another great option is late nights in the park. During the summer season, the parks typically open as late as 10 or 11 PM at night, and the crowds really do hollow out as the evening goes on, especially during evening shows where everyone's queuing or trying to find a spot to watch the fireworks. Taking advantage of this can help you trim your wait time and get on that last ride or two. And finally, our favourite tip. As long as you get into a ride queue 1 minute before the park is due to close, you will get to ride that evening. That concludes our guide to Premier Access. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. Equally, if you've used any of these or you've got your own tips, post them below. I'll include a link to the Disneyland Paris Access site and FAQs in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up and hit the notification button. This is Adam, and until next time, just keep swimming.